Pandas DataFrame to list of dictionaries. I have the following data frame. Which I want to translate it to list of dictionaries per row.
Use df.to_dict records, gives the output without having to transpose externally.
Use df.t.to_dict.values, like below. As an extension to John Galt's answer. For the following data frame. If you want to get a list of dictionaries including the index values, you can do something like which outputs a dictionary of dictionaries where keys of the parent dictionary are index values. In this particular case,
if you are interested in only selecting one column, this will work. The below will not work and produces a type error, unsupported type. I believe this is because it is trying to convert a series to a dict and not a data frame to a dict. I had a requirement to only select one column and convert it to a list of dicts with a column name as the key and was stuck on this for a bit, so figured I'd share.